Hey, they break everywhere buzz. After they sleep, now my brother come, he say, where you there? Now I say, so what you do, they sleep? I say, yes. So he say, wake up. You don't know, say that one of our queen today, now today be a birthday. Now I say, really? I just said last week, oh. He said, not today, and that's okay. Now they celebrate. See, not be forced to celebrate person. Before person come and they celebrate you, you know say you water. Now make me come celebrate you. Your lovely family come out come say make I wish you a very big happy birthday. My people, wanna help me wish this my queen a very big happy birthday. You don't see this beautiful lady so. You know like not a friend so. Now this lady, now this queen, they make me day here so. Now bring me, now make me come they find so as if they see me. Now make I come out myself. Come say make I wish you happy birthday. See man, all the children wey no get papa, wey no get mama, all the mothers wey no get husband, wey you don support, they say a very big happy birthday. They say you go live to celebrate another big years. I you understand so. See another grand. Now we dey do our own. We know they show ourselves. Then they come. Me, I say make I come wish you a very big happy birthday. My special mother, my beautiful mother, my lovely sister. Now me, your blood sister, come wish you happy birthday. Because if not be you, not be anybody. Because you're too special. You're too special. Now your lovely family, your only full squad family. Say make I wish you happy birthday. Now dear, Don, Wizzy, one, say make I wish you happy birthday. Our special papa. Now dear, your lovely son, Moses, say make I wish you happy birthday. Wisdom, say make I wish you happy birthday. Your sweet mother say, you don't regret the day when they born you. He say make I tell you, say, very, very big happy birthday. Your lovely sister say make I wish you happy birthday. Cheers, make I wish you happy birthday. All the grandchildren, all the full family say make I celebrate you. Now dear, your Gucci, your special one, your sweetheart, your darling husband, your darling children, your lovely children, say make I wish you happy birthday. My lovely boy, say make I wish you happy birthday. Let me myself come and say make I come wish you happy birthday. Guys, wanna help me celebrate this queen. Maybe when person don't die, now God they celebrate time. See, I want to make this a happy birthday wishes. Make it high pass. Rest in peace. Rest in peace not be our portion. Rest in peace not be your portion. My sister, God will bless you. God will elevate you. The good work we do for us, we not forget. And make we come tell you a very big happy birthday. Happy birthday. What do they wait for? You say, what will I eat? Mona eat, Mona rejoice a full day, everything day. For I don't eat, Mona put the bill for her bill. Say she dey come pay. Wetin me dey wait for? I beg make I go dance jare. I dey dance because you too special. You be queen, my special mommy. I dey call you my special mommy, because the thing wey you dey do, even person wey carry person for belle no fit do am. The only person wey put love, wey put smile for the full family face. See, out of 99 people, the one wey she never help na only one. This woman, if you don't know God. She too special, she too sweet. She don't get problem. The only person where they talk matter as it be. Now they can't celebrate you. My sister, you go live long. Hey, now your blood sister. Now I can celebrate you, because now you reach to celebrate, now they celebrate. Now make her come celebrate. Hey. Hey. your life, oh. But it's not easy to be alive. I say thank you, my special princess one. Oh yeah.
Exclusive music at NigerOxford.com. Migua, solo bru mierue, ogene mierue do. Wakobilo, ogene migua, solo bru mierue do, ogene mierue do. Wakobilo, ogene migua, solo bru mierue, ogene mierue do. Wakobilo, ogene migua, solo bru mierue, ogene mierue.
Exclusive music at NigerOxford.com.
Wakobilo.